Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing power and media. Do that now. For Windows, macOS, or Linux, the entry method differs. Hold the appropriate boot key or Command/ option. Once done, boot to recovery or installer media. This bypasses local accounts. Make sure to choose the external USB if prompted. You are forcing the system to load recovery tools rather than signing in. This step creates the environment where you can erase and reinstall without the previous user password. Now you will remove user data and install a fresh system. In Mac OS, use disk utility to erase apps/HFS+. In Windows, use disk part clean or installers delete partitions. In Linux, use gdisk/parted to recreate. After wiping, run the installer or recovery assistant to install the OS to the target disk. Make sure to set time zone, network later. Do not create user accounts tied to old credentials. This ensures a clean, password-free start and restores factory-like state. Finish by completing the out-of-box experience and create a new account you control. Once installed, update drivers and OS patches so the laptop is secure. If you encounter activation blocks, encrypted firmware, or account locks, pause and retrieve OEM recovery keys or contact manufacturer support. These can prevent reinstall. If the system still asks for a previous password, you likely need to clear Secure Boot or remove firmware-level protections. Follow device-specific manufacturer step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.